Samsung's secret One UI 8.5 video just leaked, and the design changes are shocking. A leaked One UI 8.5 video reveals huge design overhauls and fresh features. Right after kicking off the stable One UI 8 rollout, Samsung is already fast-tracking its next major upgrade. This update is expected to bring significant UI changes. The first ever One UI 8.5 video leak comes from ThadDev at Ferozbek_101/X. The clip highlights redesigned apps and key functions, proving Samsung's ambitious plans for Galaxy users. One UI 8.5 Design and Features. The leak uncovers a refreshed software update UI, upgraded apps like One UI Home Settings, Galaxy Themes Studio, Video Editor, and Device Care. It also introduces a brand new direct voicemail function. Software Update UI. Samsung may bring a redesigned update screen with One UI 8.5. The clip showcases a gradient background, with the version tagline elegantly displayed at the top. One UI Home Settings. The update refines Samsung's Android 15-based skin, but One UI Home Settings page keeps its top header but adopts new interface components instead of placeholder icons. Galaxy Themes. Samsung's Themes app has been revamped inside and out. The homepage now highlights a bold brush graphic, while the interaction page adopts sleek pill-shaped buttons. Studio. Video Editor. Galaxy Studio also evolves with One UI 8.5. Its navigation bar follows the same minimalist style as the Samsung Phone app, giving users more screen space. Direct Voicemail. The new feature lets callers leave a voicemail when you can't pick up. The message can then be played back at your convenience. Device Care. Samsung's Device Care is also seeing dramatic changes. The new design adds a dedicated card for quick toggles, alongside a universal card showing detailed stats on battery, storage, and RAM. The leaked visuals come from a ported One UI 8.5 build, meaning the final design could look even better. And that's everything from today's leak on Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates just like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these new design changes, so make sure to drop a comment below. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.